Hello everyone and welcome back. A common physics problem asks you to calculate the force acting on a dam, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So in this example, it says that we have a 250 meter long dam holds back water that is 50 meters deep. What is the maximum pressure exerted on the dam and what is the maximum force exerted on the dam? So before we start to calculate, there's a couple things that we need to know. The first thing is that the greatest pressure is going to happen at the greatest depth. So here we have the water behind the dam, and this is how deep it is. So right down here is the greatest pressure that is acting on the dam, and wherever we have the greatest pressure is where we're going to have the greatest force. And the second thing is that there is air pressure on both sides of the dam. Air pressure on the left, air pressure on the right. So effectively that air pressure is going to cancel out. And mathematically it's not going to become part of the change in pressure that causes the force that acts on the dam. So we can calculate the change in pressure that's happening, and that is going to be equal to the pressure created by the depth of the water above that point. So the change in pressure is going to be equal to rho GH, where rho is the density of the water, density of the fluid. So in this case, it's 1,000 kilogram per meter cubed. G 9.8, and then the height or the depth of the water is 50 meters. So that's going to give us a change in pressure on the right side of the dam of 490,000 pascals. It is that change in pressure that is going to create the force that's acting on the dam. So I can calculate the force by using the pressure equals force over area equation. And again, I'm solving for the force. So the change in pressure is 490,000 pascals. And then I need to know the area over which that force acts. And the area is going to be the length of the dam, so 250 meters, times the height, and not just the height of the cement, but the height of the water that is pressing on it, so times 50 meters. And that gives me a force, an applied force on the dam of 6.12 times 10 to the 9th newtons. I hope that helps you out, and best of luck.